Okay, so in the last video we created func authors, which is a table valued function. Now we will try the usage of that function, or we'll see how we can use that function. In the very first statement, um, I'm trying to use the function as a scalar valued function. In scalar valued function, we'll just keep a select, then we will put a function name. If I do the same, it throws error. Why? Because it's actually returning a table. Just think how the syntax works out when you are actually placing a table in the TSQL. Think it like this: select table name, which is a wrong syntax. But here, let's think like this: select star from authors, table name, which is a valid syntax. So wherever table comes, you can make use of the function call because it is actually returning a table. Right, now this is a correct syntax. So at the same time here I am testing the function which was written previously. The authors table have multiple column and the function authors, I mean the inline table value function, returns a subset of the columns. That means it picks up only 7 columns from that table and returns. So now when I use select star from, instead of the authors, if I make use of this function, all 7 rows get returned. So here I am executing this now. If you see here, it returns a 7 columns. Alright, so you can pick a selective column among these 7 columns. This is another usage. I'm just using a select, and then I'm picking the column name. First I'm specifying author ID, next I'm specifying other 2 column name, and I'm appending it with a space and naming it as a new column like author name. Here it is author first name and author last name. Right, so here is the function in the from class. So when I execute it, you can see we are selectively picking 3 column: author ID, author first name, author last name, from the available 7 columns returned by this function. Okay, now I will execute it. You see here author ID 1 column, author name, which is combination of 2 column, author first name and author last name. Alright, here if you see, since it's a inline function which returns a table, I can perform update. So first I'm trying to filter row based on the author ID. So 17232 1176. So Johnson White as the author. Now if you see here, I'm trying to update the author, but instead of using the table name authors, I'm using the function name update dbo function authors. Set author last name as gray, which is presently white. So I'm executing it, and you are seeing the message 1 row affected. That means update through function is possible here. Remember, if your function is inline function, inline table valued function, you can perform the update like this. Okay, so now we will check whether the update actually happened or not. if you see gray instead of white in the author last name, then update is succeeded. I mean, here also it shows it is succeeded. Okay, just for your test. Okay, so here you see author last name is gray, but update happened through the function call here. Right, now I'm doing the update because I'm leaving the pubs database as it is. I mean, we changed it to gray, we'll put it back to white. Okay, I left the database as it is. That's all here. This example shown you writing a inline table valued function and making use of that inline table valued function, and in the next video I will show creating a multi-line table valued function. So I'm closing this video for now.